Hi.
Hello.
Do you want to do much?
Yeah. Let's play.
Okay, let's do much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. You?
All right. I'm from Mumbai,
Mumbai, which is
India.
India. Say, I'm from India.
Why is that? Is that how you say it?
Okay, I'm just joking.
All right. All right. Which part are you in the Philippines?
Do you know where, have you been here?
I went to Philippines last summer.
Really? Where it is?
I stayed in Manila for 1 week and we went to Bohol.
Wow. How is it?
Bohol is good. No traffic. I don't like to stay in Manila anymore. I'm not gonna come back there. Very traffic. It's like a waste of time.
Well, it's always crowded in Manila.
Yeah. Bohol is by far very beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Probably next summer we're gonna go to a different island and we want to go to, I don't know what it's called, like we people do surfing. Surfing, you know that?
Surigao? You're going
Oh
to
yeah,
Surigao?
that's it. Yeah,
Oh,
we
that's
Maya.
good.
You been there?
No, I'm not. I didn't go there yet.
Okay. Which part are you in the Philippines?
Cavite.
Okay. Saan sa Cavite?
Punyeta ka.
Hindi ah!
Ang sarap mong tusukin.
Tiga India daw.
How do you know how to speak Tagalog? Hindi nga, ano ka?
Me, I speak Tagalog very few.
Utot?
Yeah. You can teach me if you want.
Utot mo. Hindi nahalata. Nyemet ka. Alam mo ba, hindi ako naniwala na Mumbai, India kasi yung round ng, yung ganito, no? Yung ganito. Nasa India ka ngayon?
Nasa Bohol ako ngayon.
Punyeta. Di ba? Ang galing mo. I believe that you're...
Yung ano pala, yung video pala na to is naka-share to sa sa Blue App.
Oh, talaga? How? Paano mo nagagawa?
Mag-share ka ng link lang, ganun.
Seryoso? I-share mo lang yung link? Tapos pwede na? Ba't tinatry ko yun ah?
Try mo yan?
Oh, wala.
Meron yun. Tapos i-upload namin to sa sa Black App.
Ayos na.
Black thread?
Okay na, ito naman.
TikTok.
Ah!
Ba't mo? Okay na.
Sumasakit ulo ko.
Kasi ka pa lang.
Alam mo, sumasakit ulo ko sa'yo.
Eh, para follow kita.
Oh.
Grabe.
Oh, yan na.
Kasi i-DM kita pag na-upload na Jelana. Oy, Jelana yung pangalan, no?
Upload saan?
Dito nga sa sa Red Black App sa TikTok.
Ah, so, inaano mo? Ito yung content mo. Hinayo fuck up.
Oo. Kasi nasa 70k na ako dito sa TikTok eh.
70K?
Oo, yun yung mga content ko. Ayaw na.
Wow! 72.8 followers! Wow!
Yung Blue App ko, ano na? 300.
Congrats. Eh, nasa na yung mga 72 followers mo?
Wala, depende sa kanila kung mag-join sila.